Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. So if you are new here, welcome and make sure to subscribe. So lemons are sour, but we can turn it into a delicious cake. That's what I'm gonna show you today. In this video, we're gonna make a delicious lemon cake with a few basic and simple ingredients. Let's check out the ingredients first. So we need 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, half cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, half cup of icing sugar, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/3 cup of oil, 3 large eggs. So first we will add half cup of all-purpose flour or maida, half cup of icing sugar, three-fourths teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. We are not adding baking soda, and we have a great tip for you. You should steam it 3 to 4 times so that it will be much fluffier than you think. And that's for the secret of our cakes. Okay, then add 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Mix and combine well. Set aside and take a large mixing bowl. Crack 3 large eggs. Whisk together using a hand blender. If you don't have hand blender, you can use a whisk, but it would take a while to make it fluffier, so better to use a hand blender. So the consistency should be very thick but creamy. Next, add 1/3 cup of oil, three tablespoons of lemon juice. Use a spatula and fold the batter. Gradually add the flour and fold the batter. A pinch of yellow food color, you can totally skip this. Mix well, set aside and take a cake tin. Brush with oil and dust with flour. Gently pour the batter in the tin. Now bake this for 30 to 40 minutes. Oh wow, this looks so beautiful. It's cutting time. We hope that you enjoyed this video and do try this out. Put your feedback down and stay tuned for more epic videos. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.